Try to find a way to make life a better. More I try, more they look sad, or they try. And what you know go come do before you go jealous.
Oringo boss.
But if you see some people go to dance inside.
You sure say they know the wedding people?
Guy, if you guys a wedding.
Guy, what is the wedding though?
See, people came for that boss.
That's the boss. I see something where I start move follow. Go.
Why woman not go drive her? Not be woman born you. To drive this motor to bomb pikin, which one hard pass? Huh? You go window. I say you go window. Make another follow us like that too. If you want to join us, please join us, eh? With a load for New Market Road. Yes. And with the travel go everywhere, including Abanam Road and the Express. Now Oringo boss be this.
Because inside the Ozokwor boss. Inside Ozokwor
Tomorrow we'll join this boss.
I die for this boss.
Make you just go home now, man. Your head don't full. Tomorrow you come meet us for New Market Road. Any money we don't come out there. They carry people, they go. Our bus they full quick because people they enjoy themselves for this bus. We don't get part 2. We don't get part 2 at all. At Oringo bus. When you get to the, if you reach there, ask them about Oringo bus or Mama G for 10 naira. And the way for now,
Mama, tomorrow I die here.
this one not the way for anybody. Now people they wait for our boss.
Oringo bus, Oringo bus. Everything in Oringo bus, Oringo bus. Ebana Oringo, Oringo bus, Oringo bus. Everything in Onaga, Mama, Big Mama. Why can I go? Mama, Big Mama. How can I did Onaga? Take color, it's a woman. I cannot go. Onaga, Okonkwo.
shine your eyes, oh. As you dey drive, they go, you dey enjoy yourself, eh? Don't forget say you dey stop somewhere, oh. Eh? See, we don't take money from una for one drop. If you want to follow us, go around the whole town. We don't mind though, but you go pay 4 times. Eh? So make you not sleep or shine your eye well. When we pass your popcorn, you go pass again, no? Now money now you will find. So as you dey enjoy, they look well, no? Ukwaki there. Look at the answer be Ukwaki there. On Achu.
Oh, Ukwaki, go.
Okay. Okonkwo. Ukumango there. Ukumango with Rachael. Come on. Jesus, Jenna. I think I missed your okay? You don't know. Oh, yeah, make all of them go down now. See.
Madam.
See. Listen. Make them go down.
Madam, let's just continue the journey.
So where now? So where? I don't call all the bus stops, no go down. I call OCC bus stop, no go down. I call Regina bus stop, no go down. I call last bus stop, no go down. Where are they go now? Which kind of passengers are carry so? When be passengers without destination? When I don't get destination, I mean, we could go down, Joe. When money don't finish for here, we don't expire. Oringo money we wanna pay don't finish.
Now here they go.
Where?
Yes.
Yes. Oh yeah. Mama, wait to. If you like saying what you want more dance.
Yes.
Give him. Roller.
If you want dance, oh yeah, 2,000 naira for 2 minutes.
Now only you the runner.
This one where you just scratch your head, money not there for your pocket. You want make them dance for you. You dey crazy. I beg go down, John.
Mama, I beg, no best for us. I beg. The truth be say, all of us waited this bus to forget ourselves.
Oh.
They know me personally, say I forget myself. I don't know when I take past my bus stop. I beg. As everybody they dance, everybody they sing, happiness. I beg, Mama, I beg. I beg, just carry us go inside town, go for sleepers, go home, they go, I beg, Mama.
Yeah. If I go straight now, not to Bini.
Hey, wait.
You dey go Bini?
No, I know they go Bini, Mama.
Now bush until you reach Bini. Even people not they live around here. Once we pass this place, now bush until you reach Bini. If you only go Bini, go down.
No.
Give me your money, 2,000.
Oh, yeah, come.
No be you.
I get 1,000.
Wait.
No reason.
Where you go come on. Come to us here.
Okay, I use for this you. Okay, make you use for pay 2,000 naira.
For the one.
I beg go down, John.
I go pay 2,000.
Oh yeah, bring money for hand, back for ground.
Are you sure?
Now all of them have been at one person.
Now one person 2,000 naira.
My calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on a day 6, on a day 6, on a 12K.
12K.
For extra oringo. Extra oringo 2K.
See. Oh yeah, make una listen. If una no wan go down, I go just carry una dey go because I sabi the DPO for this town.
Mama, the mom.
Na police station straight I dey go.
Mama, I never reach like that.
Yes, make una enter for the
In fact, na police station o.
what's for my business for me?
Oh, one bag, but one reach.
You no go use your own for my own o. Abeg.
Police station, I beg, I know they pay.
Little one bag.
Go down o.
Little one. Oh, one bag. Oh, one bag, but little one. Oh, one
won't come down.
You don't want to come down.
You know, make it there, they turn head, neck, up and down, front and back. Huh? You don't know where they go? Come down now.
What will be your name, sir? Okon. Okon. Iberibe. Ine na-anya ka onye na-efu. Ine na-anya ka onye na-achụ ụzọ. Biko ọwa mbebulituo.
Get down, bed. Come on. Go down. I beg, open door, make him carry him. What? Chineke!
Okon. What it be soft bread?
Hey!
No! Oh yeah. Okon, leave my bubble. Okon, come down now. Come back. I go get you.
Sofias.
No, Sofias.
I don't open this.
Sofias, do you? Wait, make I open the key, make it.
Come on to your leg, man, we open door, go.
I know why I even leave am more. Sofias. Why is that very big boss? You want to feed it now? You want to feed now? You want to feed now? You want to feed now?
It's not the fault. I go put it in oringo box. I go put it inside that with the grace. It's that on top of
show me one thing now.
One yas. Oh, you carry yas. Carry yas.
Yeah? Who's that who won't come be this way?
You know what in America they call groping? You know what in the groping? Now this thing. You want yas? I don't give you yas. Imagine. Group wogu. No shit. No get calabash. Onye na ni. You too like yas. Calabash you too like yas. They too like yas. You know get self-control.
See, madam, I want to serve Ofaku for inside my boss. Ofaku with rice, onubu soup, and gizzard. As I say, now they say the one way we chop here now, he enter well. He enter. So since they prepare am well, you go be my main supplier. How you see him now?
This woman, Ozokwor woman. This your head na brain, business brain.
What's it again now? Na business brain, na business we can't do. Not be money they find. Me and they find too. Anyway, sir. For inside Mama G for general boss, Oringo boss. Many things they happen now. Oringo go na ganiru. Everything go they move forward.
So when do you want me to start?
Tomorrow as me and my guests they come go work, we go just stop over, carry and put inside motor. Work don't start with that.
I can see you are serious. So my girl Jane, the one that handles my bigger shop, she will do the work for you.
That is a business don't start now. She go even do the work of conductor for me, as I never get my own conductor. Come on. What did she get? Like, what did she get? What did she carry for back?
That one. She's loaded. She tried.
No problem. Walk that side with that. Guess, I beg. Do quick work with the go. We don't try for today. 5 done now, Kabi.
Yes.
Make una go rest. Tomorrow walk na way. So make una sleep well. I don't want make una go the cook for inside town. No. As I close una now, make una go house straight, go sleep. Wake up tomorrow morning, Una go dance tomorrow well.
Mama, now we dey run am.
Mama, my name na dancer.
Now we dey run am.
Trust me.
You know, if you don't dance well, I go sack you. I go fire you one time.
Mama, you don't go to her. Now you get some heart.
Mama, I never tell you myself.
I know now, I know. Okay. Thank you, madam.
Okay.
Business start tomorrow. Abi,
Oh, wow.
I better go get me 2 bottles of beer. That one I take away.
Okay.
The only chief for general,
The only mama we get for this
founder
town.
Oringo boss,
Nah,
MD Oringo boss,
Any other Oringo boss,
CEO Oringo boss.
CEO, correct one, no.
very early. So as I go house now, I say, look, I go sleep. Wash your dresses, so clean up well. You know, this kind of dance, one and the dance. They use head, they use hand, they use leg, they use every part of your body, they dance. It better make you clean up well, make my customers not my partners not they perceive bad odor. I smell, What in? Why they look me like that? Like rat will go on top of bamboo.
Nah, mama, this thing where they talk now, thing won't vex me, but no go vex. When you see fine guests like us say we they smell, and those ones not sabi take care of their quick with time they smell now. We bam now. Mama, the truth be say, see, I go reason give you the matter. The matter be say we soft. You understand? So look me so, I be soft girl. I get boyfriend, so I'm not fit gonna keep my body that make all the persist some kind of odor. You no go good now. Good, you don't make sense. Oh,
you get boyfriend?
Again now, everywhere now, oud, everywhere. Now oud, China, pure one.
I know say you get boyfriend, now you not get money. Ha! This guy your boyfriend self. I don't say he go they chop you well, they chop you well. The only thing we go come to me now say he go then get you one pregnancy, so what you go come to hear me say? It's over, all over, not do again.
Mama, I don't go do like that. Mama, that kind of person they try and
Una guess they smell.
Una.
You know,
she said.
Mama, you don't say we be your girls. You know. Now we be your girls.
Now
We don't feel smell. Now Mama don't smell.
Oringo girls for that matter.
Now I make I talk and say make una take good care because then teach me to take care of myself.
Okay.
And they teach me make una take care of myself.
Thank you.
People like me they talk the truth. As he did, that's how they talk.
Mama.
If I see the one where men they do, I go tell them. If I see the one where women they do, I go tell them.
And
I they hide my mouth.
Not only you they run am, no other person. CEO one. Mama, show. Mama, come out.
You father be that?
My father.
You catch me?
I'm not too sure. Mama, I just saying catch you because they look this side.
Shut up!
That father no smart. He no dey streetwise.
How you catch me?
No smart.
No problem saying you catch me.
Maybe I dey see am dey look this side. So I think
Now you see. As you this kind of dress when you wear, now you see.
Mama, relax yourself. The father no dey street smart. He no catch you anything. The father na move. He no go fit catch you. So na going na. Until tomorrow na. Okay. Mama, oya na. Wash well. Shebi say mo dey
Wash well.
wash everything. Sound the oringo. Oh, Friday.
Okay now. Hey, no wahala. I enter bus dey go job. Come here. What's be that? Which one be mama? The mama. Who be mama? Eh? How you gonna call me mama? Did they Chris? I seen you. That the day when you see me now I see you. What's I don't chop where you never chop? What's I don't see for this one where you never see? What's I don't hear where you never hear? They call me mama. What's I do where you never do? What's I get where you never get? Look at that. Everything where I get, you get them. Anything what I do, you don't do that. Because they call me mama. Which can't be that? Mama, the old woman. Mama and Mama G, not be the same thing. Mama G, na swagalicious mama. You know now? Eh? I know say me self, I swag well. Now they call me Mama G. You be babe, me self I be babe. Swagger. I'm swagalicious. Man. You don't know? I bet I'm gonna go job.
Mama G, the swagger.
Hey, what is? Look, I don't make me forget what I want to do. This swagalicious. Come here. Look at that now. Look, I just say, I don't carry my money. They go. You know, say this is what they do. Na business, na hustling. I be the real cocoa, the real swag. Oh yeah.
Wait, oh, nothing there my body.
You know, say any dance when I dance for Ringo boss, they give you tip. Na my money. Anything when you get, na my money. You understand? Whether you shake your hand, shake your body, shake your hand, shake your anywhere where you shake, then give you tip. Now my money. If you just dance for sweet, I don't care. Oh. But as long as I dance for this oringo boss, bam. Now my money. Erica. Mama. I like you well.
Mama, no do na.
Wait, now I search you.
I know they thief. See, and my clothes no cuckoo get pocket. I no fit thief, Mama.
Not true.
You no get. See, you want naked me.
Now I like you because it's they clean. Make I just check. You check it.
You don't check now.
Oh yeah, now. So
Mama the mama. Am I supposed to trust you?
You don't start again. Which one be Mama the mama? I senior you. See this yourself when don't old. I senior you. Why gonna call me Mama the mama?
But Mama, you supposed to trust me now. Be good girl, you know.
I don't trust anybody. When it comes to money, my money, no get trust. I beg.
Yeah. Mama, this thing where they do, it don't make sense. So you don't make sense. So Mama.
Hey,
Mama.
What did not make sense? What?
Mama, this thing where you do now, you don't just make sense at all.
What did not make sense? What? 1,500 naira no make sense. What thing go make sense?
Mama, there is a sea front now. You supposed to understand this game.
If you
now.
like, make you not see again. Like what you concern me? You carry my money, they go say you not see front. Make you not see front. Make you not even see back, self. Nonsense. Why you go do that kind of thing for me? Now make I trust. I know they trust you. Yeah. Make you know. Okay, make una they go. Make una make sure say una no sleep. Oh, una no sleep any other place. Go home, go sleep. Make una forget power to come tomorrow and dance again for me. Oh yeah, see that tomorrow. When I go, once done the end, and I go get to that pay. Hey.
Mama, you no go feel bad though. You no go bad if you find out small thing for transport.
Even if not change, Mama, change.
Now what's I for do? If not bad though, but the problem say when I no quick talk, I come put them inside pocket. Don't worry. When I come tomorrow, I go give una tomorrow own and today own. I don't go forget. Quick remind me, oh, you hear? Babes, man! My babes, man! My swagger, babe. As I just swagger, so that's all that they swagger too. Eh? Okay, I go catch you tomorrow. Quick, come on. Early birds. Catch you.
You see your life. She don't collect them now. If to say you reason give me, I for know where to hide them. She for no see them.
Now the same thing. I hide them here. You hide them here. Now the same.
No,
thing.
not be the same.
Because she don't collect the money.
I know say this man go to sleep by now. I don't understand the man. Eh? Now only sleep now is sabi. Whether says a fly better for yash, I don't know. But now only to sleep, chop my food, sleep again. Oh yeah, I don't come. Oh yeah, show face now. My wife, my co-wife.
Mama G, you call me? Mama G, you call me?
No vessel.
Don't go home. Come back tomorrow morning. Anyone cook.
No wahala.
I talk am now. Now sleep. This man gonna sleep. Eh? Master of laziness and sleep. That's why I go just dey go, dey hustle. My husband go there for house, just dey sleep, dey go. What kind of a man is this? Hey. Don't worry. You see this my house where they build so when I finish am. Anyway, the better thing I go do for you be say, I go put you for now you go be the gate man. Lazy buffoon. Bless man.
Don't do that, don't do that. Please, that's fine girl, don't kiss me on my mouth. My wife is the best. I love Mama G, she's the best. She's the only one I have in this world. Oh, stop now. I know you're very beautiful, but please don't kiss me. Oh, stop it now. No.
This one asleep, I've been waiting. What kind of young man be this become? Stupid man in the love. Not live for your dream, now in the love. Ordinary hustle like a man. Take care of your family. Mbano. For where? Hustle. Help pay your son's school fees for body house. For where? Mba. No fit. I love you. We can love, and I love I go chop.
Oh, no, don't that. Are you removing your clothes? I will run. No. Please don't do that.
Hey. Oh, useless man. Can rest, John. Oh. Hello, Emeka. Emeka, come and warn your brother here, oh. Come and hold your brother here, oh. I go finish him. I go just kill him before you reach him. He don't die. Which can't it be this now? Since when I come back from commercial boss hustling, now so throw his hand, they grab my body, grab my leg, grab my hand. Now they do. Which can't it be this now? What more? The only thing why this man sabi not to just not to dress himself, they look good. Now you know, chop food, nothing more. Now so I could just they chase small girls they go about. Now let me go hustle. One more. Take Simeon, oh, Simeon! Simeon! Okay. Don't worry. And they come back, just hold on.
Swimming pool, oh! Swimming pool! Swimming pool! Swimming pool! Swimming pool!
Take your call. Emeka is on the phone. Emeka wants to talk to you. He's on the phone. Your brother in Belgium.
Is that why you threw me into the swimming pool?
Liar. Huh? You don't lie. Tell father, say I do this, I do that. Now you can't lie again. Say I pour water for your body. No, only for your head. Now I pour water.
Did Emeka say he want me to catch pneumonia before he talks to me? Huh? Or did he want me to speak with a water voice? Just look at me, a full-grown man like me. Huh? Look at how he looks as if I piss on my cloth while sleeping. Am I a bedwetter?
For your head. Now I pour water. Not on your body. If you bedwet, tell us. I bet carry the phone. Emeka want to talk to you. Your brother in Belgium is on the phone. He wants to talk with you. Take now.
Give me, Jerry. Hello, one day I did hear the swim, oh, and I made a good many about. Why you go? She just poured water all over the room. So would they? I don't know, I don't understand. Okay. I understand. No problem. Okay, no, later. I'll take your phone.
You know, see? You don't open another page, oh.
Fine girl, please don't bother. I know you want to give me some money, but my wife will give me more than that.
Collect that money, oh. Collect them. If whether not for sleep or not for life, collect the money. Bring her home, oh. But me, I no get shishi to give you. Your wife, which wife?
No, now. Is it only 100,000 naira you want to give me? My wife will give me more than 500,000.
Shishi! 5 naira no give. Nonsense. Wake up, oh, if you're asleep, carry the money, wake up. Carry the money, wake up. Ah!
Hello, my wife.
Mama G for General. Ah, sorry, oh. Sorry.
You didn't call me to eat. Huh?
You put me on your bar. I found you. Idiot. Useless man.
If I'm useless, how did I get you pregnant? I got you pregnant. You see? I know how to shut you up. Whenever I mention that, you will keep quiet immediately. Because you know how you struggle for years. Until I drank red palm wine and I attack you. Beleke by force. Let me take some meat, Jerry. Oh. This soup is sweeter.
Ozokwor.
Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. What you say, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. What you say, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. What you go? This type of person.
Hey. Yes, two of you. Come fast. Don't you know that a girl is supposed to cover herself properly, according to the rules of the same society?
Oga officer, sorry. Please, we are on our way to work, sir.
What kind of work allows you guys to dress like this? Are you a prostitute? Opio. Are you about having epilepsy?
But then I saw they bomb me. I just can't live seeing like this. I saw they bomb you. That's how I do.
Okay. Where do you guys work?
Oringo boss, sir.
Hey, Oringo boss. Where is this Oringo boss?
Eh? So now you be the only person who never learn of Oringo boss for this town.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oringo
And the
boss?
latest boss now. This man they learn though.
So where is the boss now?
Oga, see, make I yarn you the thing. Well, might just give you correct as it happen. Yeah. You see, as we do, if you look this country as it be so, things harsh. You look left, it harsh. You look right, it harsh. Now make we come bring this Ozokwor Oringo boss. Make people they jollificate. Inside that boss, as she don't tell you say Ozokwor there, we they give the people. You see, as we they dance,
better rolling.
we they take. Now me be the roller. You know what you be now.
You be Jacka, you be roller.
Yes. Now me they roll am. I go roll am. Anything where they roll up, but I mean they handle am. So that place, if you know waiting good for your office and us, you go to follow they go work every day, every morning, afternoon, and night, go to drop you. So you two go to jollificate. Because inside the Ozokwor boss, Oringo is guaranteed. Oringo is guaranteed.
Anyhow, shall take and like that.
I'm impressed. You do your marketing well, no? This is your Ozokwor business. I'm impressed. I would like to go with you guys. Yes.
Okay, no problem. So when you go come now, because I know say today, you go follow us today, and tomorrow you go follow us.
Okay, tomorrow I will come with you guys, and I would also like to come with my friends.
Hey!
Officer of the law.
Now police people.
Police and some of my family friends.
Hey! Officer, you correct.
Oga, BT say you won't call your
Oga
make him follow on a call.
I dey double for you. So tomorrow,
But just tell him make him follow, make him come, no?
We dey start to dey load our bus for that mango tree. You know that mango tree.
Don't forget though, the mango tree.
I will get you guys there tomorrow, eh?
Tomorrow.
I will get you guys there.
Officer. You don't trust me? I be Rachael. I mean they call Rachael. I go keep them like this. You don't trust me? Hey.
See today, I go roll up.
Give me five. It's too much. Give me five. It's too much. Wait. Why you be the roller?
You see today,
Madam, go
Madam.
sunshine. Madam, come out.
Madam, we don't show.
I didn't tell you.
We don't ready.
We don't ready for
based on
today.
how they happen now.
I don't tell you.
We don't show.
Madam.
We don't show.
They go
Madam.
Make una no dey scream greeting like that now. They come and they prepare for work. Now go be that so. Now hustle, now they go hustle now. Eh? You see today? Sleep! Sleep well. Professor, sleep. Sleep, oh. When you sleep this way, body pain you, turn to the other side. Body pain you, stay like this, sleep. Body pain you, turn like this, sleep again. Sleep! Professor, sleep. By the time you sleep finish, I will come back now. Come with food. You know, say now you be my wife now. Now me be your husband. So make I go hustle, bring money, bring food, yeah? Hmm? Professor.
Go where?
Sleep. I became deaf overnight.
Ah, Mama, no verse. Now we don't do this thing where you para. We dey sorry. Mama, now wetin happen? Now we say make one reason give you.
That's so.
Based on wetin we experience on our way, now it make us just come here.
What's it?
Ha. Mama, you know
Yeah,
now.
Nana.
You know, say as you dey like this now, any person wey dey affiliate with you, the person in level don't high. So
Level
based
don
on
change.
who you be, you understand? Based on who you be, we just dey go. We dey dengue like this. We dey pose. We just dey do and collabo like this.
That's why I can't even the dengue they go.
Now one policeman stop us so come say we dey do prostitution. And dear child, Chinekene, I can't say me I no fit run am. I no fit do am.
If you do that kind of thing,
You
Mama.
understand? You know now, you know. So I can't reason matter give her. I can't tell her say e get where we dey work. So as I tell her say e get where we dey work, we can't reason matter give her. So now wetin we experience with
Now
that.
so you use be that oh. Now so you just be.
So what did not happen?
I can't explain give her now. I can't reason am about Ozokwor boss, where all the oringo dey, where the shuku and shuku dey inside. So as I tell her now, he pick interest one time.
One time.
I reason the matter give am.
I hope so now convince him. Make him join become one of our passengers one of these days.
See Mama.
Mama, you dey ask.
Mama, you don't know us again.
You dey
We don't be your
ask.
guests again.
We
don't dey carry last o.
waiting no long. As you just see am, as the matter happen, now we throw am matter. So as we throw am, now he collect am. The guy collect am one time. Now he come tell us say tomorrow he go dey afternoon. So because I don't really tell am how we dey operate. Places where we dey go, we dey pick passengers. So he go say no problem. Say he go run am. Say tomorrow afternoon we go pick am. Cause okay, no problem. Now that jollification now we take enter.
We just say we just sit and come yarn you so.
Beautiful. Now we say very soon. Anybody wey dey this town wey never enter our Ozokwor bus go know say they miss something. Because inside Ozokwor bus,
Oringo is guaranteed. Oringo is guaranteed.
Guaranteed. No, it's not guaranteed.
anyone.
Because happen because
I beg anyone.
Oringo is guaranteed because not based on Oringo kamu aje dengue. I dey post.
Mama, Mama, you don't trust me.
This one guarantee. This one.
I guarantee. Now I guarantee. I guarantee.
I no say inside Ozokwor bus na every dey happen. You understand? Based on who be, based on wetin dey run.
I tell you, understand? Run for Mama.
Even the policeman sef, he say he get person wey dey work for road safety wey be him friend too. Because the thing is one wey dey enter, they go see police, see banker, see conductor, see teacher, see everything. Everything go there. FBI sef, I go their office, I go invite them. So we go dey drop them for office. Every morning we go drop them. Every afternoon we go drop them. In the evening we go drop them.
My wife go somewhere.
Oringo boss.
Yeah,
I need to ballet for you and that you wake up. See as you dey like this, only if you run am. No. Person fit say na mouth or say easy, they no fit do. Mama, now you dey run am. As I play our tape, give the guy so. Now the guy come confirm because say him go dey patronize us. Because see wetin I wan do now. Come tell me say he get friend wey dey work with federal road safety. You understand? So I can't like make convince that one to make drag at home. But what I want to see for a boss like this, inside when we do the inside we go boss like this. When you look, you go see road safety. Go see DSS, go see banker, you see teacher, you see this one. No, collabo.
Commissioner president,
everything.
Commissioner go come. Now so I say I'm gonna give them like this. And then you not trust me.
Nobody.
See, once we carry I don't tell her say if you want chat we day. Based on who you view. You don't say that you feel wrong now. So once we carry them, we go do it and go drop them. We'll carry them in the morning, we'll drop them in the evening. We'll carry them in the morning, we'll drop them. That's not what they drop, they make her bad, they go and they go to
now. Oh my son,
where would they go? Because I did this thing, they give me happy, they give me happiness.
Overjoy.
Where would they go?
Okay, no problem. Make I go collect money for fuel.
No, hey! Mama, the man for you. Only you feel only you feel
this one too much, oh.
Hey! Another person for this life not fit do one. Now if Mama Gina, if fit do one.
Mama G!
Because inside the Ofaku boss, so lingo is guaranteed.
Oh, then they talk this thing where they talk now.
They talk waiting where they talk.
No guarantee.
No, like say don't they craze, Abi. You don't smoke weed for dream. Yeah. Inside the Ofaku boss, so lingo is guaranteed. Take it to the bank.
No guarantee. Take them or not. Mama, we'll wait for you. Bring the money. Let me get the full option.
This is my leg. This leg is terrible. If it doesn't kill me, I'll kill it. I just said, let me take a little beer medicine that I mix for my arthritis. But this leg will not even allow me to take the medicine. The beer medicine, very important.
What about the papa's cap?
Okay.
Is that one arthritis cap too?
Okay. I use it to cover the beer medicine. I was just testing it to see if it's smelling beer so that I'll wash it.
Simeon.
My lovely wife.
Simeon.
My one and only angel.
Simeon.
My love. Where if name nothing mega. Udode.
Okay.
Udomogoda.
No problem. I just came back to take my money for fuel today.
Oh, good.
I forgot it.
Good. Okay.
For today.
Please be very careful. Be careful.
Simeon! I came to collect the formula for this your beer mixture.
For my leg arthritis?
Yes, okay. Yes.
Okay. For my arthritis, Oh, you're right. I don't even know where... rat has swallowed it all. Okay, enoge.
Ha! These Nigerian rats. They can swallow formulas and money.
If I am not very careful, you see this city rat, Okuzoiba, they are very dangerous. If I am not very careful, they would have swallowed this my papa's cap, or even swallow you.
It is you they will swallow too. They will swallow you and your cap.
No, they will not. That's
see, listen to me. I'm going out now. When I come back, you would have gone to collect the recipe again. That formula, I want to see it because I want to be buying it by myself.
Okay. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Ajondo atọgbu onwe ya. Ajondo na-atọ.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
Sir.
It's okay. See you guys later.
Do you know him? What kind of a human being is this? Come on, let's go.
I'll see you later. Okay. What a beautiful angel. I know the heaven must have missed an angel today. No, I'm not harmful. I'm just harmless, okay?
Okay, sir.
I mean, just have this share, okay? Wow. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank God, though.
See me your dreams, baby. I don't even take your number. Okay, no problem.
See you, which dream? God, though, thank you for this money, Hey! How are they now? Brother, Alpha. I think that's you, though.
They didn't tell me that angels wear black. Oh, baby, you look so beautiful. If I am the dream, what are you, baby? Huh? You are the slave, so keep on sleeping and dream of me. Baby, you need some money?
Every girl does.
Girl,
Oh my gosh.
you got it. Need some money?
I need more.
Oh, I got many.
Oh,
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, son? You give you money?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is not for the queen. No, leave it. It's not for the queen. Come on, I love you. Oh. You wanna know what they call me? Papi Senior.
Oh, no. In case you wanna see me, I wait for buses here every evening.
Yeah, hey, baby.
Oh my God.
I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you.
Now what's in now? You be passenger now, you the bus. You be passenger. So police don't need you here. Maybe if you come get power, you come back. Not this here. Madam, leave me. Leave me. I'm going to enter this bus. How many people there?
If you like say you know they yes, say we know they go. You want my change for you? You dey crazy.
I want to concern you. What you concern me? You don't know the security for this one.
I'm cheating.
See this one. Go boss.
That guy dey pray. Yes or no? This man.
For here. Can you imagine? Mama, that's this one will come up for here.
I tell you, everything they touch.
As it be like this, nobody for this part will be someone again. At all, no fam. See, I'm not going to be security for now. But the thing is, you will find yourself 500 again. What's the matter? Mama. No, what's happening? Mama,
Oringo boss makes sense. Everybody they wait for them. Actually, Oringo.
We don't show. Yeah, so I won't know it's in the happen because he said this Oringo boss. No only Oringo 9 days permitted.
First class.
So the food don't day.
You don't dey. This one na rice now. I will go buy my go carry the ofaku.
No, you know what go happen? I go follow you go carry that ofaku because I'm not one man come be say you don't shook and inside the ofaku. When you carry and come serve inside Oringo boss, you go be say the ofaku don't sour. We no fit take am. So I go follow you go see the ofaku inside there.
How want you can inside now? I dey craze. But you feel come, shy.
Okay, mama. I dey come. Oh, the only mama Gia dey come. I may go. See, I want to tell you something. If they put food for you, may you chop and not come they smell like snail. You understand? But the next when they don't cook like this, so that if we put for you, you will collect and put for another person. Because inside the family box.
My people, my name now Odogwu. I'm a doctor. For inside this bus, I carry many things wey go help una for this bus. This bus wey they see so it contain many things. If you be woman, where you say you get problem for your body, where you say if you dey waka, your body go dey scratch. If you waka small, you go dey scratch. Yawara. I get the medicine for inside this bus. For inside this bus, where they see so. If you be man, where you say you want peace, you go begin to cry. Your face go change like this. This is my own. Your face go change like this. Only say you dey cry. Because say you want peace, you dey cry. I get the medicine for inside this bus. Now only small money you go get them. This boss where you see so, I carry the medicine where you go like. If you be woman, you get miscarriage. Small time they don't get miscarriage. Small time they don't get miscarriage. I get the medicine for here. Those men, the way we say small time, they go sleep past themselves. For inside sleep, what thing go they talk for inside sleep now? Mberafi babreba, monkalaba for a bomb. Medium for me, come get safe home. I get the medicine for inside this boss. Just contact me. Bring the money, I go give you medicine where you say if you take them, you go stop now. Yes, anybody where want to make it tell me I go reply to you sharp. Anybody where want to make you not fair to identify. Plus you want? I sick. Plus you don't want?
Come, who you be? Wait though. Who give you the mind to enter this bus? They say medicine. Yeah, be like hospital for your eye.
I don't know.
Wait though. This man won't be short dead though.
Don't cost up our enjoyment.
Who give you the authorization to enter this bus? Mama, you did here.
See, as she quiet so no provoke am.
And they tell you.
Mama, back this car. What person?
Mama, stop this car. Come, you need to come out of this bus.
I get medicine where I go give mama.
Oringo. Do your job.
Junior, why you
all those things went down to talk. I want to buy Messi.
You want to buy medicine? Go on.
Mama, I beg now. You know the see theater everywhere be. If you leave me for the middle of this road, nobody go help me, Mama. I beg.
Ross, I beg, close your mouth. Not the mission, not the yarn anyhow. Not you just stop for inside the bus. See what they sell a blood tablet. Take the blood tablet, may give you energy, now make you take waka. Because for this inside Oringo bus, we know they sell tablets inside. No Oringo and no Takuna in there.
Erika!
Mama.
Now, wow! That's how you get friends, eh? You don't hear what this is.
See, Mama, see this drugs what they tell you, eh? I know they take them. Because then we are the from make my money, that make another take them. So I dey share it to people so that if I sell, I go make another money. I dey tell you,
Mama, no, you. This man won't use you won't use your head. So, you dey say blood tablet, why you never take it for your body? If someone don't test this thing, make you work well before you can't go to for us. Have you worked long?
Oh, we're not that.
Una get set back. And I wear well. You don't stop it, not the only dance in that.
Mama, you don't know.
Una size up. I beg you.
Mama.
Oh yeah. You see after them. You see what you like.
You want them to trade fair? Oringo boss na trade fair. Joya.
I'm in the hospital.
I wonder.
See, Mama, make I tell you the truth, eh? As I say these drugs, now what I take to chop my daily bread, no, nothing again, eh? See, you don't know what they hear of Oringo boss. If I go anywhere, I go hear Oringo boss. Anywhere I go, Oringo boss, I consider and say, Joy, is it good to go inside this Oringo boss, go market my tablet? Eh? Now make I come enter this Oringo boss.
Okay, you can't see Oringo boss. When you jump in,
exactly.
No permission. You can't carry your own vineyard. Which is our own vineyard. That's what they do. Eh?
Mama beg now. Mama beg. I beg you. Just try to understand me. Mama, see. Before God and man, I swear to God, you see this drugs, I promise you say, after the sales of the day, share my money. 20% I will give you. I swear to God.
Who can give you expo?
He gets sense.
Who give you expo? Who can tell you say the only language we ever my people is about
money because inside of our bus
Oringo is guaranteed.
Oringo is guaranteed one day.
Inside of our bus.
I'm gonna say
See them, by the time I am done selling today, I will carry you. Go one side. I'll do
Everything finished. I'll pay your money. Yes, now. Okay. Alright, let's go there. Go enter.
You don't hear that?
Enter. Mama, Papa.
Sorry, man. What's happened? See, we catch them inside uncompleted building with that small girl. A girl who never reached 17 years old. Eh? Even say free, won't go police station. That girl, Papa, the best well. The best well.
Hey!
What happened now?
Nothing. I'm not evil. What is it again?
He said it's my knee. He's paining me badly. Making me unable to hustle and help my wife. Only my wife is carrying all the load in this family, paying our son's school fees in the boarding school. What kind of life am I living? I feel so bad.
It's okay. Just go inside, Go inside and sleep.
Okay. Thank you, my wife. I keep telling people that I have an understanding wife. If not that you're very understanding, what will I have done? What did I go do?
You don't do now. You don't do, Sorry. Oh yeah, go inside. You can make you even sleep. I will wake you up when the night's ready. Okay. You will eat. And if you want to sleep again, you sleep.
Oh. Oh.
Go.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey. Thank you.
Shut your eyes.
No, I practice.
Practice what?
I practice how to sleep. You know, if you open your eyes, close, open, close, you go close. You no go open again. Because you don't sleep there. So I practice.
Which leg self you say they pain you? Which of the knees where you say the pain?
Now this my left knee.
This one. Like the pain you. Oh, come on. Who took my money? Who took my money? Eh? Make I even ask you. What did they do with school girl today? They just away make they won't kill you for free today. So then they carry you go police station.
Oh my God. I will die, yo.
If you want die, die now. And die well.
I will die right now.
I said die! What did they do if they do? They chop my food. Die if you want die. So you take my money, go do boyoyo for school girl. Carry my money and give them. Eh?
Oh, baby, you're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me.
You never see embarrassment how they talk. Today, I they go bring our son, Kenechukwu came. You came while they take, I go take him today, eh? Beat you well, eh? Flog you well, embarrass you. You never say embarrassment too. You hear? Wait. I go look for him. He says. Come on, get from here, man. Oh, now run. That one not mean anything now. Run, finish, you will come back. Because now today I must show you embarrassment. Agaracha must come back here. I never touch you now. I must flog you well with this my boy cane. Since you don't become boy, I go use boy cane. Flog you well. Make you see embarrassment for your eye. Useless lazy man. See mo. Leg go the pen again, no. Before I say na left, na right. Today na left. Now you take the run, no. You not the pen again. No, that's him. Not the pen again. Yeah, man. Now law here. Agaracha must come back. Go and come back and they wait for you here. That's a stupid man.
Jane.
Jika, good morning.
Good morning. Jane here. I asked you try well yesterday. And I can't tell myself, say this one mother don't play fine girls. Make I use idea so that I feel color be one. Eh? You know so now you can pass. Eh? Jane here, eh? As I hear your Jesus is there, and I saw all my body just to do me Jane. I like you well, but you get boyfriend.
What's happened? You won't be my boyfriend.
Jane, why use question to answer my question?
I beg me carry cooler inside keke. You will stop me for that bus stop. Because I don't want, then I can use another keke. Because I don't want new madam to see me with you. Make she not begin to say, na mama take my head.
Jane, I know say madam never come out by this time. I think I come out early. Eh?
Supposing I never finish cooking.
Jane, you know what? I go help you carry everything. Don't worry. I know say you don't cook finish. God already do it. What the sharp, baby? Hey!
You get where the boy want you. Like him marrow.
No, no.
Please.
Am I mad? I don't know, dog.
Here. Good morning. Who else? Who can they sleep? Who there?
How can I not? Now for night you build this your house.
I said good morning to you. You have to answer me and be polite in answering me. When they ask me that question.
Why can I ask you whether you build this house for night now?
I only came here to collect my house rent, nothing more.
Now, good morning. Are you supposed to greet by this time? Eh? It's either good early morning or good night. Because the night see there now. Abi 6 o'clock run back.
What do you mean, my friend? The time now is 7 o'clock in the morning, not night.
No, they shout at me, I beg.
I shout for you.
No shout. Why you come this night, come collect the house rent?
I don't understand.
What if you say you don't understand? Now by this time they don't collect rent. See, I go soon build my own house. Make you don't take the house do shakara for me. This your house.
My house, your house.
Me, I'm not rent house from your hand though.
I said I come here purposely to collect my house rent and I leave. If you don't give my money, I don't go.
You don't go. My guests don't come.
Mama Chidi, Mama G. Now you the runner. Now you the runner, Mama. Good morning. Mama, I double for you. I double
hot now. Now what do they do now?
I beg, make una help me do something. Hey. Make una help me tell this man. Tell him say I go soon become landlady for this town. So I build my own house. Eh? Tell him. Make him know because today we know they even go driving. Now for sight, now they go now.
Who you be safe?
You talk about my business inside. Okay. I said pay me my money, make I go. If you don't give me, I don't go.
You rent house for me? You rent house for Did you rent house to me? Not my husband, you rent house to me.
Give me a message.
You ask for my husband, you see him?
Okay.
No. You look around, in there around? No. So why you going to ask me for money for rent? And they owe you?
Okay. Tell him to give me my money. His rent is due. When he come back, tell him that his rent is due. Let him pay me my money. So let him just pay me my money.
When did I become your messenger?
You go start now. If not now.
Okay, I be your messenger.
You don't be my messenger.
I
don't go. Tell your husband to give me my I go check out. If your husband go tell him to give me my money. Now I like to
Mama, you supposed to talk to this man now. And this is when they go house.
You see people when no rich.
If I see you again, I go check.
This man no rich.
Man not to be that man.
Man no rich. You no rich now.
You know the chop.
You know that he be like something
when they pay me, they say even if I give her the money, I don't go chop. Because go smoke, you go drink shakpe.
Imagine.
Mama, leave that man.
Don't carry you go for that matter.
You know what that man better one. That man a bunch of we no rich.
You no rich anything. He never chops his money. Mama,
you don't see us now. We dey dangle like this. Now to pose, now remain.
I dey tell you.
Based on who you be.
I dey tell
Mama, don't see you feed the run now. I dey tell you the truth to you. We don't ready, oh.
Mama, you supposed to trust us
go
now.
carry
You
motor.
supposed to trust us.
Block industry. Now there with the money block where they take build the house. So the house with the house now.
But the thing they confuse me. You know say, Mama, you supposed to send workers me they come do that work for you. You know say you know get strength to do all those kind of work.
Who tell you say me I no get strength? I get strength too. Anyway, I for send somebody but no money. Money, they try to save the money. When we take people, we go build the house.
You can see I'm like that.
I'm not see him.
You not see what?
Na money na. I'm a kuchiterugi na money.
Na money. That's why I get money. I go put people there. But as I don't get money, that's why I get chance. I go mold some, keep them. Mold some, keep them. Before you know it, I don't mold enough.
Mama G.
Hey. That's how we the ginger.
Good morning, Father.
Good morning, Mrs. Nkume.
Father, please pray for me and bless me.
May the peace of God be with you. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Mrs. Nkume, what is going on? We have been receiving reports against you in the parish concerning behaviors that are not good for a Christian mother of repute like you. One of the reports has it that you now drive a commercial bus. That you have naked girls who dance in the bus to entice customers. This is bad enough for a Christian mother like you. It will expose you to all kinds of negative vices. Having the services of naked girls who dance in the face of lost souls is something I can't even believe that you are doing. It is good for one to be hardworking. But there are other jobs you can do. You can open a boutique. You can even open a hair salon.
Father, my husband's brother sent us boss to help us. Boss is what we have.
Madam, you can sell that boss. Yes. Sell the boss and use the money to open a boutique. Or you hire someone to do the driving while you supervise.
Hire driver? No. You don't have to do that one, no. Father, then go chop my money now. Anybody will tell you, say, I hire girls when they naked, they dance for inside my boss. Na liar. I no hire any naked girls for my boss. They're only lying, and such people are enemies of progress. They don't sabi anything.
Your husband was here.
My husband here? Yes. Where you see that one? For the past 2 days, I never set my eyes.
Exactly what he came to complain. That you want to kill him. That you chase him out of his home.
Myself?
Yes. That you smoke and drink.
Hey. Virgin Mary, Yamaka.
Mrs. Nkume. Mrs. Nkume.
Liars! Hey.
You let men chase after you and you cause trouble for your husband. You won't even allow him to enter his home. I do not want to continue to hear these ugly stories. If it continues, then I have no option than to excommunicate you from this parish. You heard me.
Jebe confession.
I don't care. If they attack me, I go join Sele. Go dance well. And for Sele and they dance.
How could you lie to me? I saw those girls. I saw them shaking their bosom.
Father, I beg. Me, I won't talk. So make you wait. Make I talk first. Now me carry myself by myself. Come here. You see, CWO, I not do again. I not interested. I don't come out.
What?
What if I say I not do again? Not by force. I use my hand come on myself. I don't want to do again. Not by force.
Madam, it has not come to that.
Father, it has come to that now. Not be you carry Christy, president of CWO. Come catch me. As you catch me where? As you not catch me, no problem. Me, I can say I not do again. And they come out. I don't come out for CWO. I don't want to do again.
Mrs. Nkume, no one is asking you to leave. Christ did not condemn sinners. He called them to repentance. If you disassociate yourself from the church, how can we save you? How can we regain our lost sheep?
Hey! You know, Siam, I don't even become lost sheep. No problem. Me, now me be the sinner. Now me need repentance. See, even Simeon, we be lazy man when they do anything. Nothing do am. Now me need repentance, Abi. No problem.
God Almighty, please help your daughter. She thinks that money is everything. But
I heard that one. I heard that one. So you talk say money not be anything, everything, Abi. Even Bible write am. Bible say, what do you mean that way, Bible? You wait before that, tell me now. Bible say, money answered all things. Not be so. I can't say I not do again. Make I carry on a CWO. Make I go do my business, Jeje.
Mrs. Nkume, what has come over you?
You can't carry me, go give Papa God, say make he punish me. But I'm not saying no punish me now. Papa God don't listen to men, no. Now we men they listen to.
I am not asking God to punish you.
You understand me? And now come out.
Good man.
This way they walk out like chicken way, go bad journey. What happened? See your life? You go tell Father Ozokwor lies for my head, for your own head, not be my own. So tell Father Ozokwor carry the president of CWO, come spy on me, come catch me rather than me. I can't leave everything run now. I run. I can't abandon everything run. You self. I don't say person husband feel being worst enemy for this life. As you did so, you carry the mouth where you take kiss me. The mouth where you take chop the food where I cook with my hard-earned money. Go tell Father Ozokwor lie about me.
No, I no lie against you. I went there to tell him to save my life because you said you flogged me. Is it bad for a man to save himself? It's not bad now. Try to understand.
What did I say? I just spoke. And I allow men to chase me. I did drive bus. Because if you will be man, be real man, not be for the drive the bus. But the only thing where you sabi is to dengue yourself well. Where Papa's car. They walk out for road. They chase small girls about. Otherwise, you go to sleep for house. They wait for food, make you come, make you chop. Waiting again, you sabi. Nothing.
I don't know.
Not be you supposed to drive that car, that bus.
Is it bad? It's not bad. Must everyone drive? Eke now. I don't know how to drive.
Oh, eke. Your own portion. Now to dengue, follow girls, chop food, sleep, wake up. Now it be your own work. Now me go the hustle. You go tell them say I dey drink. You can't go tell them say I dey carry naked girls for my boss when they dance for me. That one a big lie. My girls not the naked, but they just they dress sexy anyway. Person when they dance, how you want make it dress? If I go wear babadiga, Abi, or dress like Father Ozokwor, that one no work now. You could come and say I dey drink. Yes. Why do we drink? I dey drink make I forget things like you will feel cause me high BP. Not make I dey drink. You could come and tell them say I dey smoke. Can't they allow men they chase me about? No say that one no, that one a lie, big lie. I don't feel do that kind of thing now. What I want they can do? That one not my priority. Now my own na to make money. Nowadays that they run around for. I mean, what I want take men do? Men are people like you, Abi. Nonsense. Let me tell you. I can tell you the truth. If not me for Kenechukwu, my son, I for don't abandon you. For leave this house. Come on, day. But when I remember that boy, I will just make her stay. Not because of Kenechukwu. I mean because of you. Anyway, enter house. Clap for yourself. Go sleep. But make you know say, from today onwards, not be me and you again, no. Anyway, from now on, they your own. Make a day my own. Cook your own food. Chop, not give me. Now so me I go cook my own food. Chop. I don't go give you. Stay for your side, make I stay my side. I don't get your time again. As I don't go work today anyway, I go just go prepare. Go see my son for boarding school. So enter house, go sleep.
I should enter house. You promise not to touch me, because I badly need sleep. I don't dare walk around since 2 days now. And as you can see, in the same cloth I still wear. No touch me, I beg you. If you try touch me, I go just die.
Die, Ke? You die alive? See who said die? You don't die since. Now only body that they walk about. You don't die for spirit, for body. You don't die everything. Nonsense. I beg, enter house. Make yourself go prepare, John.
Where they go now? You say you won't go school, go see why they follow me?
What if your own? What if your own? What if your own? So if I go see my pikin for school, and I don't go inside, go prepare. That's why I go there, go see her for school. This will be you. I better carry your dead body there and go inside, though. Yeah, man. I can't see my pikin. My pikin be still for this school. I can't see him make I give her small thing what I buy for him.
Madam, today no be visiting day, I suppose no.
I know now. I not go too day. I just make I can't see him. Give him this small thing what I buy for him. You know now. You know how mothers they feel for their children when they miss them. Eh? You never be mother before now. If you know how mama they feel when they miss it again.
Madam, na the rule for this school. Any day when no be the visiting day, let's know they can't see him pikin. How you repair, you be this thing for me, suppose know now.
Make I just carry this go back. And you know now, you see, be no go good now. This thing go spoil.
Madam, see, even if your pikin dey sick, we get hospital for here. We get everything. We go treat am. But let's say your pikin don dey sick, or say you won't die, we go come call you.
Now your pikin go die. What be that one? I beg, just make I give this pikin this thing now. Eh? You know, say this thing go spoil if I keep am for house.
Madam, I go push you come out here.
If I force myself into this place, what will you go do?
Now, Madam, I beg they go. Today no be visiting day. You be parent for this school. You supposed to know the day where Madam parents they come visit their pikin. You carry everything they come today. You want to show me for. I beg they go, John.
What be that one now? Eh? How you go be as I carry thing go back? You know they here. I go push you enter this place now. Which kind of devil be this big one? Just be going straight. Then
oh, madam, this place far. I don't understand. Where would they even go, sir? Every time they point say straight. This straight no they ever bend.
See, I paid you to carry this thing. Go do work for me for them. So carry they go.
See, madam, what you pay me na for ladder? You know pay me say make I carry ladder. They go Lagos. You know how long we don't work?
How much will make I pay you? I pay you for that, I won't make I pay you again. Eh? So this 5 minute waka don't come to going to Lagos. Eh? I beg they go, Joe.
See shop for you. Give me money, make I buy mineral, make I buy small mineral now, I beg.
Ha! You men of nowadays are very lazy. Lazy like Simeon. Eh? Wait, oh. Now so you go feel work hard. Marry wife for this life. Pay your house rent. Or even build your own house. And person will marry. Small time. You don't want children, no. That's why you go take care of them.
See, madam, you know they talk like say you be millennium woman. See, make I tell you, if you be millennium woman, you go know say, fine boy like me, now them they rush me. Now them they rush me because I don't need to suffer. I don't need shop. What thing I need now to just arrange myself where get better iron between my legs. Sabi use them. No be to get the iron with the thing. Now to sabi use them. You don't even need to shop too much. Just drink your gari, go to gym. You don't enter market be that. Finish. And what again you want here? You should don't enter market. Now be say you go find better woman where they work for better company. They collect money from them, or better still, you find Ron's girl where they collect money from politicians. They knock them back where because you go sabi that one is very important. Knock them where go for in kitchen, wash everything. God said he get sense so he give everybody own towel and sponge. See my own. You use and enter kitchen, wash everywhere clean. Once you don't wash them, because that one ain't go print your name for your client's memory. Money don't just show be that too. You don't pass like that.
Wait now. What be that's your name again?
You feel call me Ayeni. Or you can. I'm still a body massage therapy. You know, I can do and undo. Try.
Ayeni. If the son be say this work where I will make you go do for me, I don't pay you. Say it dey me very important. I for use backhand work. You not gonna know when you vomit all the women money where you don't chop.
Because of this small money where you give me now, make her for help you do something. Madam, I know they go again. And they go again.
Carry this. Yeah, carry up.
Madam.
If I say no sabi me, you know say that maybe Mama G for general. You the craze.
I think say
they
you
want. Tell you. Come carry this in the go.
I even think say you want tell me make I come work for your kitchen. They tell me say you want.
I go woosa you now. Fear. Come carry this in the go.
Madam, I no be any alu. I no be.
Come carry this in the go.
I no be any alu.
Now when you not go do the work, I go show you now who I be.
Something I know say you go like if you try am. You go like am. We never reach. Your money don't expire.
Straight. We never reach. Which money expire?
Madam, I don't tire.
Come on, carry this.
You pay me to kill me.
You don't walk. You don't walk at all.
Me, now then they rush me, oh. Now then they rush me, oh.
Now my own type of rush. Now you go see today.
Ay! Ay!
Hey! Excuse me. Yes, what's going on here? How can I help you?
No vex. I'm a parent for this school.
Yes.
My pikin they go school here. See, I just want to see my son.
Madam, the truth is, this school, we have rules and regulations guiding this school. People don't just come in from nowhere just to see their kids. I think we have visiting hours.
I beg no vex. No, I just they feel am.
They miss am.
See, for 12 years I'm not been born. For 12 years I'm not been born. Now me by myself bring that child make it come to school here. Make no vex. As I not been born for 12 years now, God can't give me this one. My mind can't dey where I dey too much. Anytime I feel like I go want see him. If this school not go, they allow me to come see him anytime. I feel jump in, I feel jump off, I feel disappear, appear here.
No.
If you don't allow me, I go come out from this school, put her for another one.
No.
I just like this school. I say make I bring her here. Make her, I feel see him every time where I want her. I want see him. I beg.
It's okay, madam. I understand. You don't have to jump fence, okay? Okay, fine. You have to come with us to the office while you see your child.
I beg no vex. I just want one corner where me and I go just day. Only two of us. Make I feel am well. Talk to them, touch them. Give them waiting I come and bring for them. Before I begin go.
It's okay. It's obvious you really miss this yourself.
I beg, I won't die.
Teacher Clara, I think I have to go alone. Okay, so you just have to take care to the child and make sure they are comfortable.
All right, sir.
I'll be back shortly. All right, do enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Please, ma'am. Sir, please come in.
My son. How are you?
You're happy now.
Yes, I'm happy. Thank you.
Okay,
Kenny, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
See, I brought some things for you. Opa. I brought coconut and fried meat.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, who is he?
Oh, this one. Thank you, Mom. If not before him, I will not enter here. The gate man don't let us enter now. I can't beg, I can't carry a ladder. Can't help me, I can't jump down.
Why do you jump now? That is not nice.
I have to do it for you now. I'll do anything for you, can I?
No, don't do it next time. It's not good.
Okay. So you like the things inside there?
Yes.
How is school now?
I'm fine.
Okay. This is I bought for you, Go and hide it too. You'll be eating it in the night when every other person has gone to bed. When they will sleep, you will be chopper.
Because sometimes our seniors used to steal something from us, especially in the night.
You see? Don't mind them.
Mama, one auntie came to visit me last week in our visiting day. She said she's your sister. That she has been missing me for years now. She said her name is Auntie Edna. She bought me biscuits.
That finished the biscuit. Ah, Mama, what is that? Is Auntie Edna a bad person?
Can I go? Please listen to me, eh? No ever allow that woman to come near you again, no. She not be my sister. I know Sabi. She not be my sister. She dey evil. Anytime when she come near you, run. If she come visit you for this school, run for your dear life. She's evil, no. No let her come. Eh?
I don't forget though. Thank you. I'll in fact, I'm just stop.
I say in the class.
Yes, I'm just copying my notes when you call me.
Come now. I don't want to go again. I want to stay with you.
We must go. We have to go.
Are you pursuing me?
No. We have to go when you finish copying my notes.
Okay. No problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Be a good boy, you.
Okay.
Madam, you too like this your son.
It's my uncle.
Wetin come to change your mood now?
Wetin be that your name, sir?
Ayeni.
Ayeni. Ayeni, get things wey go dey happen for your life. You no go understand whether you dey go up or you dey go down. This lady wey come visit my son for school na evil woman. Why she go come visit my son now? Wetin concern am where my son dey? The only pikin wey God give me now, then go, she don't find am. No be witches and wizards.
Because I know, because when that boy talk that thing, I see your face, you no clear.
I go clear now.
But see, make I tell you, forget say you see me with ladder. Forget say you see me with ladder for road, wey make I help you come enter here. My real work na this kind of thing. Just now, give me the contract, make I go settle whoever wey dey disturb you. You no go worry you again. Anybody wey no wan give you peace, I go pieces am. E go clear for your road now.
That's not God dey do anything.
Shebi na wetin dey Edna.
Edna be the evil woman.
Just I don cram that name now. Just give me the contract. I go attend to her. If when I meet and finish, if she cross your path again for this life, you go know say my name no be Ayeni. Work once, I be well.
Now him be say, you no go now. You go just go drop the ladder. Me and you go come follow go. Make we discuss am well.
No issues now. No issues.
Thank you. That's what God dey make us meet people wey go help us. Make me dey go.
Make I carry ladder.
Don't be angry with me. Please. It's not like I've been doing it before. It's just today. Please. In short, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. My love, sorry, please. Please, my baby. I'm sorry. Please, my baby.
Open your hands. Show me your hands. Open your hands. Onyoshi. Onyoshi Simeon, inezu nche, inezu gogo. Ole. Ajibole. Oh! Look at you. So you've been stealing from me. Stealing my money. You've been stealing my money and pushing those small girls. I don't even get your time now. You steal money, you steal tomato, you steal onions. In fact, on your in the zoo go. I don't even get your time now. You tell me why I go get your time, eh? When I go get your time, I go do you so that you go pay me back all the money when you don't steal from me, they pursue small girls. Don't worry. And they come. You go see what I will do. Hey! Simeon! So you've been stealing from me, eh? You've been stealing from me! Simeon! You've been stealing my money! Where's my money? Who took my money? Oh. Hey, no wonder. You used my money to buy gas! Simeon! Ibonyoshi! Ajibole! Eh? So, you steal my money? You follow small girls? You steal my money? You buy gas? You steal my money? You buy tomato, buy eggs? You're stealing all my money. See, me at the hustle. At the hustle, they try to bring money. You the steal them. You be witch. Don't even shake that your stupid head. Don't shake your head, though. Don't shake your head. I go kill you. I go just finish you. I decided for you because when I go kill you, even your people don't go know say me kill. They don't go trace and say me kill you. You know that person where woman kill, blood don't they come out. I go kill you. Nobody go no say me pame you. You go pame oh. I go kill you. So I go kill you. You go just die. Well. When I get the time, I go deal with you. You go see. In fact, see now, you just steal my money. If I talk now, you go tell father. Then I say, now naked girls they dance for me for my oringo boss. Abi? Okay. No problem. From now on, just they cook your own food, they go. Me, I go cook my own food, they go. Yeah? Me and you will not be husband again. Lie. You don't divorce me, I don't divorce you. In fact, you be wife now, me I be wife. Now one man, they marry two of us, and that man don't die, tete. Now only two of us now, they here. You do your own, I do my side. Answer your papa name, me I go answer my own papa name. Yeah? That's all. Make I see your hand for anything wey cause me again. I will just kill you. Well. Small, I go kill you. You go just die. Papa.
Hey, Nema Banani Boko. Hey.
The young man. You for bring those small girls when they come cook up for you on your sheet. Then I say you steal the thing from me. I go pour this thing now. I weak for you, I tire for you, I weak. Good day, welcome. I know you came to collect money.
Of course, yes.
There's someone in this house. So. Our husband traveled to the great beyond.
What? Is this not your husband here?
Oh, this lady? No, she's not my husband though. She's my mate. Now the same husband they married two of us. Now, our husband travel, go great beyond.
Keep quiet. Quiet! What kind of talk are you talking? Huh?
What did I talk? I tell her and say our husband travel go the world beyond. What's it again? Huh?
Both of you are confusing me here. Okay. Simeon, what do you call yourself?
Okay, landlord. You're confused. You know she say, in the cooking food, and they cook my own. She they cook her food.
Okay, landlord. Calm down. Calm down. I'll give you your money next week. I'm expecting money.
Your next week doesn't end. Let me have my money now before I change my mind. What can you go?
There is no money now. There's no money.
Huh?
There's no money.
There's no money.
Hey! Okay, landlord. Hey! Okay, landlord. Give me my clothes.
Give you what?
Give me my clothes. See, look at
Hold
this.
him very well, oh, don't.
Look at you. You, my pot of soup. You must pay. Oh. Drop my wrapper and pay for my soup.
Woman.
How can you insult my pot of soup like that? Give me my.
Woman, leave my clothes. Let me go.
Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes.
Oh yeah, take your clothes. Oh yeah, leave me.
You must pay for my pot of soup.
What? Did I mention anything?
It's an insult. How can you bring down my pot of soup? Who are you? Come on, give me the money.
Okay, fine. Oh yeah, no, don't worry. But you must pack out of this house. So take 1,000 naira. Take
1,000 naira for only the meat. The other ingredients, my money is 5,000 naira.
Because of what? What did I spoil anything? Wait.
For insulting, give me my money.
Take.
You remember 1,000? Now, make I just help you. Give me 3,000.
I say this woman.
You remember 1,000?
Our landlord, bring.
Oh yeah, take. Leave me.
Idiot.
Me idiot. You people must pack out of this my house.
Pack out?
Yes.
Of course we go pack out now.
If you don't pack out, I will bring dogs and take you out.
If to say my husband still there alive, if you don't build house for me now, what be this rubbish, this hot? Now oven self. Ordinary hanger to hang cloth not there. Kitchen not there.
Who says this is my kitchen here?
Now your wife go cook for inside that place. This one a kitchen.
You are not damaging my floor. Instead you will pack out.
We go pack out.
Pack out.
We go pack out, don't worry. We go pack out, nonsense.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Simon, listen. If I go and come back, you fail to give me my money, you will see the other side of me. If not, I will bring talks for you.
Bring your which talks? Who the theater?
I will bring
talks. See this one. You open which talks? Which talks? If you bring 10, I go bring 100. You don't know me again. Now maybe Baba chief for general. Now maybe mama of all the talks. Go bring that now. I go my talks. If I go tell them, make them bury you alive.
Okay, let them not bury me, but I want you all to pack out of.
We will go. Don't worry. Come out.
If I go and come back, you don't pay my money.
Come out.
Don't worry. Nonsense.
Before me, I feel deal with you.
I come to collect my money now. I'm paying him money. Which type of something is that? Nonsense. I will go and come back.
Go.
If I come back, if you are going to
not even come back.
Nonsense.
Not even come back.
You're very strong. Look at the way you faced him. In fact, he is very lucky. If it were me, I would have strangled him.
Shut up, shut up. Shut up your mouth. Because he has gone. Ordinary to talk to your fellow man is not fit. Shout is not fit shout. Nobody feel hear your voice. Nonsense. Fear! Look at you. Stupid man. You not fit even face your fellow man. Your fellow man come here, insult my pot of food, soup, by putting it down. You don't feel do anything. You not even feel fight for yourself. Chai! Come on, you be weak. Now, juju you take, na charm. You take marry me. What happen when I take follow you? Chai!
Love.
Get it?
Love.
I don't see amo. I don't see the love. Love like be my pot of soup. Love like be the dress I go wear. Love like be the house I go live in. Say Amanda man they can't insult you. See that man when not they even chop. But you they chop, see you as you size up. That man will come here. We build this rubbish house. See as he did, like person when they chop. If na hunger, make you go hungry. Make you for build something. Make you talk tell the world say you be man.
Yes, that's what. Yes.
Hello. Oga, good morning, sir. Some customer, the customer come, they say they won't buy yam, and you know, I never sabi the price. Where you there?
I dey wait for boss now. Oringo boss, yes. I never know when they go come. Wait, make an ask person. My guy, I beg, when this Oringo boss they come?
My brother, I heard that they want to drop some people on the ongoing trip, but they will soon be back, which after then they will come and carry us. Let's say in an hour, but I dey wait to no leave, no transfer.
Oh, wow, now this slow voice.
Time no day.
I go wait though. Jasper. They say the boss will arrive in 1 hour. So I suppose the office in 1 hour time. So tell the customers make they wait.
Oh, Oga, 1 hour too much now. Na customer they no go fit wait.
You say? Jasper, wetin dey worry you? I say tell the customers they say make they wait and they come.
Oh, Oga, no vex o. I wan just beg you for one thing. Oga, if that bus dey delay you, leave that bus enter another one now. You take keke. Na customer dey here, we go lose am o.
Jesus. Now you get the shop, abi na me get the shop. Jasper, you know say they very stubborn. Just tell them say make them wait and they come. But you know what? If they no wan wait, make them go.
Na 2 girls. Where they go?
2 ladies. You know me. Just tell them say make them wait. But if you no wan wait, make them go. I gats enter this Oringo bus, so I no want any other bus again. Keke? No, I don't want that keke. Just relax. Just tell them wetin I tell you. Deliver the message and they come.
No, Oga, we don't lose customer. Oga,
wetin happen now? Wetin dey keep you, Oga?
Oh, no vex. My Oga say no go fit meet us. Say na in the next 1 hour he go come back.
1 hour? Because I no get wetin to do for us. Go dey here for 1 hour. Wetin dey keep you, Oga?
I want Oringo bus like that.
Oringo bus?
Yes, yeah.
Which one is Oringo bus?
I want transport bus where they carry people. And my Oga say everything don't make am. You no go fit enter another bus. I don't know why. Thing don't tire me.
So make we dey wait. Now, Lorita, I bet we go. We no dey ready for business. Don't time to be the man dey wait for you because only they sell the market.
Now come back.
Come back and do it. Make we dey go where we go. No look at the sell market.
Osemen market. On up. Ah, guy. Oya, where they go now? Enter where they go.
Enter where?
Enter bus, where they go market.
Ha! I dey wait for one of Achu. That motor they wait for.
Yes, now Oringo bus go enter. Oringo bus. Now 100 na dey collect o. My boss na para. 50 naira. Enter where they go.
If you like, make you collect free. You know wetin that one dey give me? You know wetin I dey benefit for that one? If you like, make una collect free. Na that one they enter. If they like, make they come by 10 o'clock. I go wait for them.
Like,
just they run up and down, they go up and down. Collect free, you know that.
Just tell me, say na woman bomb.
Oga, make una enter. Wetin una dey wait now? This bus suppose don full sef. Make una enter bus now. 50 naira. Enter. Buy. Na by force. We dey wait for this woman. We dey wait for one. Make una dey here, people guys. Na wetin I wan work. You know wetin I dey get. Don't bus stop. Buy one. Inaga. Timbache. Business road.
Oringo boss. Everything in the Oringo boss. Eba na Oringo boss. Everything in the Mama, big mama. Why can I power?
No, the boss they won't go enter.
I might see you. And most of them are married though. They only want to enter this bus to go and watch guest bomb. I be make we start the same thing for our boss now. How you see him?
If I sound you, Mpiaga can't color change.
Sorry, sir.
Do I look like mad person?
No, sir.
Is dancing Oringo inside bus among carrying passengers?
Oringo boss.
Hey! Come, what's the market?
Inside the farm!
Bye-bye, 100. Bye-bye. You don't take the knacker. Let's go. What's the market? 100. What's the market? Oringo, do it!
I must stop this woman. I go gather all the bus drivers in this town. We go do meeting and ban this woman. What you go talk say she do? We go talk so many things. We go charge her for deformation of character. We go charge her for cooking inside bus. We go charge her for carrying fake passengers. We go charge her for everything. We go even charge her for eating, driving. We go charge her for everything. Oringo bossa, me meeting tegi. Make we go. I will close you. Me meeting the boss. I'm waiting for you, Oringo, and I'm going to go.
Oringo continues. One way.
Okay. Okumango bus stop.
Anoria. No leave, no transfer.
Don't forget your bus stop.
Don't forget your bus stop.
Extra charge there, extra charge.
This station dey okay. Let us stop them here.
Oringo boss, na buy us boss. Enter. Osemen market. Enter. Hope you hold your everything inside.
My guys, look at dance for them. Dance. This one I'm looking for.
Oh yeah, busy.
And they go.
I hear saying that's also enjoyment when they enjoy for this Oringo boss. Yes. Now I say make I come or make I carry my eyes see. Can't still enjoy. I want follow and enjoy. You don't understand?
You're welcome.
Hey.
What apple that free for here?
Adio.
Oh yeah, go.
Big mama, why can I power? Mama, big mama, how we are in charge? Taking color the woman. I cannot power. Onaga, Okonkwo, Oringo, Okonkwo, because Oringo somewhere more. Onyenaga. Enjoy yourself. What you say? Bye bye. Enjoy yourself. What you say? Hey.
What happened now? I don't say back. I was don't show to my boss. Come the very thing. What is that? What is the time? Not you disappear.
Waiting is like fine. No, my money are fine. Oh, you give me back my son.
Which money is the fine? I pay you now. I buy your ticket from you. I buy him. I buy the boy. If you plenty money, I tell you how much you want. How much you pay me for human being? You don't say the boy fine, you don't say it's straight anyhow. See, look, I tell you, that became my pride to me. My pride began to me. Go straight, come fine. This now. You give him food, you give him beer, even water you give him. So you just bought him. Now it's straight, fine. You don't see him, you don't do video. Anyway, now you make you come the place. No, you won't go my son's school again. If you try not to like you, and they beg you. Don't try go there, beg. Go they like to them say, where travel go abroad, see, look abroad. Forget the thing go prison. Where travel go abroad, see. Come here, my life for them. Don't try again, no. Where is abroad?
I go prison. Yes. I try carry people, but they can't do it. But I don't have my sentence finished. Then I come play against us. Then they said, when the big people come play with me, what's sweet?
I'm so free to do it. Now, because the thing that I don't really do it. But you want to try and call at all. You say, no, you try and again. If you try and then beg, if I beg, not to like me. Go ask for what coming you.
See, make I tell you like this. It's neither you give me more money, you give me my money, or you give me my son back. If not, I go play to give your husband. Say the picky when they parade, don't be picky, not be important. You don't even smell them. If they feel I'm so.
My husband.
Yes, now.
Don't tell them. If I'm complete, you won't tell them. If I'm free, anyway, we say, tell them. I don't care. When I tell them, you don't confirm me at all. They will put it down.
I will go bring the boy, come, play the tape to Racheal and say, I'm me born. I'm saying, I'm me born from my belly. You don't understand? That way, now my pride is that too. See, as it day like this, I don't do good. You get money, I don't say you get money, take the rest away you pay. I don't do good. See, take me now. You pay me 5 million. 5 million.
Yeah!
Yes, so.
Why? Come on, big one. Look at when you work with. If I get money, what do you money I get? My money. My hard-earned money. I think that's the money. I you will come up from this house. Say for me, I will take care of myself when I got old. Pay my son school fees. Take care of my son very well. You want me to what boy put in no here? Nonsense.
Now what you talk? Now what you talk? See, make I tell you, like this, my head does strong. My eye don't white. See, white past no. I don't go breathing, come out, everything is set for me. 11 years will be 11 days old. Make I tell you, you can't give me that 5 mil. 5 mil, like, no bring a basic. And make I tell you, okay, you don't know where I stay. At the stay for number 116 Overray Street. Now get at the stay, bring my money, come, I go to wait for you. If don't be like that, almost go mess everything. Oh. I won't tell you. You see me so?
Mama G.
This one will be get to them. Get to them. Yeah. Oh, gas. Oh, yeah. We don't close work for today. We're going to go home.
Mama, he did too early now. No only 2 trips we don't go today now. We'll do more one.
What you concern you? Not your work. That's why you dey work rich. Nigerian Labour Organization. I bet they go, Joe. I say work not done finish for today. Come the young waiting and no understand.
Tell am.
Shut up your mouth. You are not saying you get boyfriend.
I'm not too get like that.
Now it better for you because if I catch you with any man, you are in trouble. Anybody who they work for me, no go ever get any man around them. Yes. What make men call they deceive you now? Smarter they go give you a belly, go carry belly. Belly no go good for your dance. Make you just go home, go sleep. Go home, go sleep, I beg.
Okay, ma. Bye.
Una go get you na transport money tomorrow for today and.
I guess right. I said I heard the sound of the bus. But you didn't come inside. Hey, baby. Yeah? This looks like goof. This is goof. Igbo, not cigarette. Ewo. Geraldine, you are smoking. Huh? You're smoking. This one are the one be say when you finish smoking this your goof, you come and beat me. The beating you have been trying to beat me since.
Biko, Simeon, can you just do me one favor? You feel help me? Eh?
What is that?
I beg, just shut this your dirty smelling nonsense mouth up. I beg.
Remember saying at this dirty smelling mouth, I take kiss you when I put you belly for our son.